The devastating wildfires in Southern California adding more trouble for residents, shining a spotlight on the state's insurance crisis that has left many people suffering from the devastation with no coverage and potentially no way to rebuild. Fox Business correspondent Jerry Willis is with us now. How widespread is this problem, Jerry?
Well, it's tens of thousands of people and possibly even more in the long run, John. The tragedy of the California wildfires setting in motion an insurance crisis after major insurers left the market last year. California's largest insurer, State Farm, canceled 72,000 policies last February, 30,000 of which were homeowner policies. And now the state's insurer of last resort, called the FAIR Plan, will likely be overwhelmed by billions in claims it will be receiving over the coming days and weeks. The 90272 zip codes of Pacific Palisades experienced 1,930 policy cancellations between 2019 and 2024. That's about 28 out of every 100 policies. That according to the San Francisco Chronicle. Now, this is leaving many Californians without homeowner insurance. Listen.
This is going to create a ripple effect of devastation that goes far beyond the loss of life and buildings and residences, because this ripple is going to keep impacting both the people who think that they have insurance and they're actually underinsured, which is going to be one of the biggest problems that we see, as well as the skyrocketing insurance premiums.
As a result, homeowners have turned to the state's FAIR program. That's an insurance pool. The Pacific Palisades is the fifth largest user of FAIR policies in the state with nearly $6 billion in exposure. But the FAIR program has only $700 million on hand to pay claims in cash. Insiders have known about challenges to the state pool for years, one calling the FAIR program a ticking time bomb. Now, some context from Realtor.com, which is owned by our parent company, just 5.5% of homes in the U.S. face the risk of wildfire damage, but 39.1% of them are in California, L.A., the riskiest city. John?
All right, Jerry Willis for us.